In the previous video, we learned what global value chains are. But have you ever wondered how this global system actually started? Today, we will explore the foundations of global value chains, the key forces that built today's global economy. Foundations are the core building blocks of global value chains. Think of them like the roots of a tree. Strong roots create a strong system. Without these foundations, global value chains would not exist. The first foundation is globalization. Today, countries are deeply connected. Products are made in one country, assembled in another, and sold across the world. This global connection made global value chains possible. In the past, products were produced in a single country. But today, production is divided across multiple countries. This shift is known as industrial restructuring. It allows firms to reduce costs and increase efficiency. Another key foundation is trade liberalization. Countries reduce trade barriers such as tariffs, making it easier for goods to move across borders. This opened the door for global production networks to expand. Technology is one of the most important foundations of global value chains. The Internet, digital systems, and automation made it possible to manage production across countries in real time. Technology made global value chains faster, smarter, and more efficient. Global firms and multinational corporations play a central role. They design products, control branding, and outsource production globally. They do not just participate in global value chains, they control them. The concept of global value chains was developed by researchers like Gary Gareffi. He explained how global production is organized and governed. To summarize, global value chains are built on globalization, industrial restructuring, trade liberalization, technological change, and multinational firms. These forces together created the global production system we see today. Now you understand how global value chains began. In the next video, we will explore their structure and governance, who controls them, and who benefits the most. Stay connected with Dr. Agribusiness for more.